Right here I got this cordless hedge trimmer, and I'm going to be taking care of these bushes here in just a moment, but I wanted to show you a couple features about this. So this has actually a different angle degree, up to 45 degrees, so you can use this all different ways and angles, which makes this a lot more efficient and easy. We got two different kind of blades. This one's going to be for like grass, and we also have a longer one that I'm going to be putting on in order to shape these hedges and make sure they are nice and good. On the battery, I like how you can press this button and you can see how much battery life is left. Quick on, off. Really ergonomic handle. It has nice grip in here as well, so when you're holding this, it fits in your hand perfectly, and it weighs just about 2 pounds, which makes this even better. We have a safety right here, so you can't just press the lever and it turn on. You have to put the safety in first and then hit the lever and it turns right on. So we also get a guard up here just to keep a little bit of the grass and debris away from you. And in order to change the blade, you just have to press down these two tabs, comes right out. You're ready to rock and roll. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this out, put the longer blade on here, and we're gonna see what we can do with these bushes. Now I got this long blade on, really easy to throw on and off. And for the other blade, you actually do have wheels that you can put on here. So if you do want to run it on the ground to get a nice even cut on some grass by their garden or any place that's hard to cut, you can definitely do that. But this blade is actually pretty long. It looks to be about a foot. It's gonna make it really easy to shape these bushes. Alright, so I just finished this first one, and I have to say that was super easy, and I didn't think it would work that good, but it does. That shaped that perfectly, and it only took me a few minutes. You can see this one right here that I haven't touched yet. That looks pretty bulky, and as I look at this one, that looks pretty dang good for my first try. I've never trimmed a hedge before, so this is my first one, so I don't know. Do you guys think I did pretty good? I think it looks pretty good and a lot different. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. We'll see how this looks. Alright, so now at this point, it probably took me another 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes to get all this done. Nothing too crazy, and they look absolutely amazing all the way through here. I do have a little bit of mess to pick up here now, but that is shaped really nice. I tried to do just circles and everything, but I'm really impressed with this hedge trimmer. I didn't even go through one battery. There's still plenty of life left on that battery, and it conquered all 5 of these, no problem. It looks absolutely amazing. So at the end of the day, if you're looking for a hedge trimmer that's going to be light, portable, ergonomic, and electric, and definitely hold a long battery life, this is definitely the one you want to get. Conquered those shrubs in absolutely no time, no effort, and my hand really isn't that fatigued at all from holding this because it is about 2 pounds in weight. So go and check it out. Definitely highly recommend this. It did the job, and I'm very happy with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.